quick update here. Next phase, I have the deck supported. This 10-foot of deck here supported from underneath. I'm only going to work 10 foot at a time. I can only get 10 footers in Mom's van. The truck, I got to go use the truck today anyway to get this door. I got help this afternoon picking up a new door and putting it in place. So I got so much to do here. I've been at this since 8 o'clock. So I got the one board. I got the one ledger board cut out of there. You can see I have the ledger board off the deck, and I got the one ledger board cut off the house there. And you can see some of this is all right, but yeah, in there I got to replace double. I figure work on this part. I got to get under this wall. I got to cut into this wall yet. I'll work on this part. I'll put everything back. Go down, work on that section, put everything back. A couple pieces of new decking in here. I don't know what else much to do here, you know. So that's what I'm at. I'm gonna give a bunch of little short videos. I don't really have time to edit. Yep. So that's where we're at. I gotta take the step off here to get the corner out. I can put that step back. Mom using the front door. Yeah, but I was gonna put some wood from the inside, but I got wiring here. You know, that's the thing. I was gonna scab it. I was gonna scab in 2x10s between the floor joists, but I got wiring running all through here, so that would have been the easier way. Ain't gonna work. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. I can probably leave this little section here, cut that out right there, put a piece in there, double pieces in there. You know, leave what I can. I really don't know what I'm doing here. This is a freaking nightmare. So at least the sill plate is decent here. I don't know about up there. But I mean, if a section of sill is missing, I'll just spray it with rodent guard and be done with it. I don't know what else to do. Just learn to build properly, I guess. So yeah, that's where we're at. That's where we're at, guys. Still have to fix this wiring. I don't know. I could probably put some freaking liquid schmoo on it right there. Hold on, my hand in the way. Right there. It's the freaking neutral wire, but still, I don't like that at all. Or did he get into the... I got into the neutral wire. I don't know if he got into the hot or not. Oh yeah, here I am not filming anything good. So yeah, that I gotta fix. It's not a big deal. This comes in. Looks like, yeah, okay, that should be... Oh yeah, okay, should be able to... I gotta be careful right here, because these wires come up. But that goes to the porch light, and that one goes to the refrigerator receptacle. That's up to the other receptacle. I think that's the only circuit. That's one circuit there, refrigerator and one plug. We didn't unload anything here. We didn't overload anything when I built this, so that's where I'm at. I'm really frustrated. I gotta get it done. So yeah, underneath, if you're wondering what I have underneath here, I just have some 2x4s that I cut about a ½ inch longer and just drove in place with a sledgehammer. 4x4 screwed up under the deck with 4.5 inch screws. I have the 2x4s screwed together with deck screws, and you can see I'm walking on it. It's not supported to the house anymore. But yeah, everybody was like, you know, I figured everything. I looked up and was take the deck off the house. I don't want to do that. It's so pretty. This one here, that's going to be even more of a challenge. I gotta figure out what to do there, but we'll get it. We'll get it. God didn't make me a quitter. Nope. Just gotta keep plugging away. So that's where I'm at. My saw is not doing well, my cordless one, and I tell you what, I really like that saw because it doesn't kick back too much. If it doesn't have the power to do something, it just doesn't do it. I found my uncle's saw. It's already missing some hardware. I don't know if it was missing when I grabbed it, but it got jammed on me, and that thing is a beast, man. You got to make sure you have it pointed directly where you want, or it'll take you for a ride. So I don't like using it. You know, I'm so used to this Ryobi hand. If I gotta go buy a new Ryobi, I'll buy a new Ryobi. I just, you know, I feel safer using that than this freaking old technology here. And I know that's got a hell of a lot more power, but I can do a lot more damage too. Like I said, that one area, if it doesn't want to cut, it just doesn't cut. If this one here doesn't want to cut something, it freaking jams up and binds and throws your arm around. And yeah, not good. So anyway, that's where I'm up to. That's where I'm up to. What I'm up to. I'll talk talk to you later, guys. See you on the next update. Bye-bye.